Hey everybody, figured I'd give a quick little update on what I've been doing with the van. So far, I've been spending a lot of time trying to get the wiring put together, the electrical, and the project right now is to finish coating the ceiling with the ceiling and the side of the walls with the vapor barrier that I'm gluing on. So far I've got the ceiling completed, and now I'm kind of working on the side. And this side is directly in the sun right now, and you can definitely feel the difference in temperature. Okay, so I'm using my FLIR 1 little handheld thermal imager that goes onto my cell phone, and coming across, and you can see where all the hot spots are and where all the cool spots are. So right here, where this dark black piece on the other side of the happy jack at about 90 degrees, that is where I have the vapor barrier aluminum glued to the outside of the van. And then you can see down here where it is directly inside the sun, or the sun is right on it, it's about 130 degrees. So I got about a 40-degree difference with just this aluminum that's being glued to the inside of the van. Well, here's the bottom section that's completed. And I'm going to go ahead and do another thermal imager check on it and see what kind of difference there is. Okay, so in the time that it took me to insulate this, the sun moved just a little bit. But you can see the difference, that even in these hot spots, it's nowhere near that 130 some degrees. And this section right here is one that I didn't cover up. So that made a very distinct difference. So as you can see, I have the radiant barrier completed all the way around the van. It took about 3 days to put all of the radiant barrier in the van. Had to cut it into small strips and use some spray glue to put it in place. That was a lot of work, but I think it's actually definitely worth it, as you can see with the thermal imaging videos. I noticed that when I come out to the van after it's been sitting in the sun, it's nowhere near as hot as it used to be. So that's already a benefit, and I haven't even finished insulating yet. So I'm pretty impressed so far. So check out some of my other videos. It might take me a little bit to get to some of the more interesting stuff, but thanks for watching.